जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम. Good morning. Good morning. I am here in the of South Africa, East London City, Oxford Street. We are fixing the phone for all kind for problem, all kind for model, for water cases, for network issue, hardware, for locking, password, for any issue for phone, for our help for you fixing for phone helps. Oxford Street 126 opposite. Even I selling for phone accessory pouches. We are selling pouches, we are selling screen protector, we are selling headphone, car charging, earphone. Everything is be available. Just like it and giving the order. We are help for you. Nice replacement for your screen. I will help for you nicely. This is Samsung A05. Is the issue is the problem in the motherboard is not owning. But I will try. Customer be happy. If are you interested, please come to here Oxford Street. We are help for you nicely. And second thing, my offer for screen protector for you, I put for you free. Good deal, good service. I hope you will understand. And we will sell all electronic things, wholesale prices. Just click me, message me, and give the order. We get for you anything. Hard pouches, silicone, clear pouches, everything will be available. And hope you will understand. My service be after you can see. You be happy. My phone, our just you break, we will fix. You break, I will fix your phone. No take stress, no take tension. I am with you. My service, my client be happy. This is cases. We are opening for password in the morning time. Now, customer be happy. Clean phone, no doubt, no issue can be used. Thanks a lot. Give order and be happy. Most welcome. Thank you.